Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have been working on this pretty stunning Audi TT MK3. It's a 65 plate TT, and it's come from quite a long way. It's had loads of stuff done. It's had folding wing mirrors, it's had hill hold assist, it's had front parking sensor upgrade, and it's also had the Highline reversing camera. But we've done videos on the camera and the front sensors for this car, but this one is all about these new folding wing mirrors. So we have replaced the mirror bases themselves and kept the chrome covers and the glass. We have, this car didn't need any modules for the doors, so we've literally just changed them. We have replaced the interior switch. Excuse me a second. We've replaced the interior switch. We've also had to replace this interior trim that goes down into the door card, and now we've got the switch here that allows you to manually do them. So what we'll do is we'll just close the door up quickly. We've got the fob here. We're just going to lock it. Oh, might help if I turn the ignition off. Right, so it's not going to work with the ignition on. So mirrors open. We're going to lock the car. Mirrors are going to fold in. And then we're going to unlock it. It's going to stay exactly the same. We're going to get in the car. And we are going to start up. As soon as the ignition comes on, the mirrors will fold out. And then, like I said before, we've replaced this switch down here. So we'll twizzle it to that position. They close up and we're going to go into there and they're going to twizzle out. Now, because we've done all genuine equipment, it means that when you're on the Virtual Cockpit system, you will be able to change the settings. So give me 2 seconds just to find the menu for you. Okay, so once you're in your Virtual Cockpit, you can see it all here. You can use your steering wheel controls and also your MMI controls down here. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to use these controls down here because that's the easiest way whilst we're parked up. So we're going to click into car. You get this nice little screen. We're going to shift it to the left, which then opens up this setting on the left-hand side. And we're going to go down to settings and central locking. And there you go. So you can tick and untick the fold mirrors for when you're locking and unlocking the vehicle. Personally, if you've got this functionality, I'd want them to fold on lock. So yeah, so that's the genuine Audi TT MK3 folding wing mirrors retrofit using all genuine parts, all coded as per factory. If you've got a TT or TTS or TTRS that doesn't have folding wing mirrors, then just get in touch. Website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. And as always, thanks for watching.